just do it.
Hey, yo, is that Mexican OT? That good though. Got me looking just like Johnny Dang. Louis Vuitton, little umbrella when I walk through the rain. In the kitchen whipping chicken, kind of bread like Cane's. Good dog, got a Mexican looking like Johnny Dang. Eat deep muddy water stick, came out cane. Right pocket got money, left pocket cocaine. Bulletproof white Cadillac riding in the tank. I'm a dirty bad baby from Dirty Bay with a dirty case. Slide down your block, light it up with flames. Chopping on the block, while the leg doing jumper jacks. Smoking on the wood, yellow timber like it's lumberjack. Suppressor on the Mac 10, sounding like it's bubble wrap. TV in the shower, I'ma give his ass a bubble bath.